Sammy, for how long will you be away?
Don't worry, my friend, I'll be away for 2 days only.
Great, I'll be waiting for you.
Can you help me, Adam, and see which platform will my train be at while I gather my luggage?
Well, no problem, my friend.
Adam, what are you staring at?
I'm looking at this sign which says train in Arabic.
You mean the Qatar sign?
Qitar?
Yeah, Qatar means train in English.
Qitar. I do not know the letters yet. Hi all, today we're going to learn two letters that share the same point of articulation. Ta and Dad. This is how we write it.
Ta. Ta.
How to pronounce the letters with short vowels. Fath, Kasr, and Dam. Ta. Ti. Tu. This is how we write ta at the beginning of the word, like this example. طريق, which means road. And this is how we write ta at the middle of the word, like this example. مطر, which means rain. And this is how we write ta at the end of the word, like this example. قط, which means cat. Let's see the next letter. ضاد. This is how we write it. How to pronounce the letters with short vowels. Fath, Kasr, and Dam. ضا. ضي. ضو. This is how we write ضاد at the beginning of the word, like this example. ضرب, which means to hit. This is how we write ضاد at the middle of the word, like this example. Ramadan, which is the famous fasting month. And this is how we write ضاد at the end of the word, like this example. مريض, which means sick.